I bought the oils. This is a balm. May pagkain siya. Parang gusto kong kainin. Bango. I love this one. Thank you for tuning in again. Today we're gonna unbox a few things that I bought a month or two ago. I think that was just last month. I love these two fragrances. This is Yara and Bint. So I bought some of their variants. Yara from Latafa. This is also a TikTok favorite. A lot of people love this one. This smells milky, strawberry, creamy, sweet, vanilla type of fragrance. And it's a very sweet fragrance. It's somewhat juvenile, I think, but a lot of females, TikTokers out there love this one. And yeah, I'm a basic bitch, basically. I like this one. And this one as well. This is also famous on TikTok. This is Bint, and this is supposed to be a dupe or alternative of Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. I don't think it's a dupe. It's not 100% the same. It's more like 70% the same. It's giving the DNA of Good Girl, but it's different. It's more like maybe a flanker of Good Girl. This one is more floral than Good Girl. This is more subtle. It doesn't have that strong nutty note, very sweet note, and vanilla. That strong spicy scent in Good Girl, that naughtiness that you can smell from Good Girl. I love Good Girl when I sprayed it at the mall, but my boyfriend, he doesn't like that, but he likes this one on me. So yeah, I also love this one. So I bought oils and Mukhammaria. I'll show you that later. I don't know how to explain that, but Mukhammaria Jamid. It's so Arabic. Both of these are Arabic fragrances. I bought the oils. For the lasting power of this too, I can't tell yet. I haven't tested this one yet, how long it lasts, but I'm guessing around 4 hours on your skin. It's faint. It's not very projecting because it's an oil. If you want projection on your fragrances, you want to have a little bit more alcohol on it, because it's the alcohol that my cat. Pinakain ko naman yun. Anyway, please forgive my cat on the background. But these oils, they are not as projecting as the perfumes, because if you want projection on your fragrances, you need alcohol. Kasi yung alcohol yung nag-evaporate, yun yung nagdadala ng scent ng perfume. At least that's what I know. Correct me if I'm wrong. But if you put it in oil, they're more long-lasting, but they don't have that scent bubble that you're looking for in a perfume. So, kung gusto mo ng pang layer or gusto mo ng something subtle, yung ikaw lang yung makakaamoy if you put it like that. Kasi hindi talaga siya the scent bubble that I get from the perfumes. Yun nga lang, it leaks. So, I was actually hoping I can bring this one for travel, pero it leaks. Yung kay Yara. Pero kay Bint Hooran, dinala ko na yata for travel, pero it leaks as well. This is a roller bottle, by the way. So, just put it like that. Just roll it on your wrist, maybe behind your ear. And you can even layer it with a perfume to make it more long-lasting. Pero para sa akin, long-lasting na si Yara, in my own experience. Pero si Bint, it's not as long-lasting as the other Arab fragrances that I have tried, yung mga super long-lasting out there. But these are the ones that I wanted to show you right now. I just got this one last month, and I haven't opened it because I went on a vacation and I just forgot to open it. And I mean, I didn't have the time to open it in the past few days, past 2 weeks, I think. So let's open it. Let's start with Bint. Has the holographic seal. This is a balm. Uy, meron siyang ano. Something. It looks like that. Ganyan yung texture niya. I don't know if you can see. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo yung previous na boses ko kasi medyo mahina. Kasi nga, medyo ngongo ako ngayon. I don't know if you can see the shine. It's very oily. It's not a very strong fragrance, or maybe because my nose is not very in its optimum level. It's not yet fully healed. But yeah, it's the same as yung Perfume, I think. I don't know even why I got this one, because the purpose of this one is for you to layer it. Instead of using a regular Vaseline that doesn't have a scent, you can put this on your skin and then spray the fragrance. Or if you just want something like a subtle scent, you can just use this one on itself. And you can even use this one on your hair. I have the oil, and this one is oily, so I don't think you need both. I don't think you need Mukhammaria and the oil together. Mas maganda yung packaging nito kasi it doesn't leak. Yung oil, it leaks a little bit, especially when you travel with it. This one is very convenient. It says Mukhammaria Jamid. I think uso to dito. I think uso to sa Middle East, yung mga Mukhammaria. Iba-ibang scents. But I only got the two that I'm familiar with kasi I don't know what I'm gonna do with those new scents. If I'm gonna try a new scent na hindi ko ako familiar and I don't really love, I don't know what to do with it. So that's why I bought the ones that I was familiar with. Nakita ko to kasi kay Attorney Carol na bumili siya ng ganito sa TikTok. Bago ko pa siya nakita sa kanya, nakita ko na sa mga vloggers na kababayan natin na nasa Middle East na uso yung mga ganito sa kanila. But they were showing something different na hindi ko pa naamoy, and I was hesitant to try that one, and it was hard to find. This is easy enough to find. I mean on Shopee or on Lazada. I'll try to find one and I'll link it in the description box below. We have another one. We have Yara, but I think it's fairly similar. This one is pink. Look at that, it's cute. And you can see the cap is silver. This one is gold. At least you can tell the difference kapag naka-display lang siya. May pagkain siya, parang gusto kong kainin. May candy. I don't know if you can see the texture. This one is fruitier than the regular Yara. Oh, I like this better than the Perfume because it doesn't have that sharpness from the alcohol. Pero for sure, wala siyang magiging projection kasi nga, you need the alcohol for projection. But I like it when I want it subtle. Kung may mga times kasi na masyado akong natatapangan kay Yara, especially when it's very hot. I think that's the time that I will be using this one. Bango, I love this one. I love this more than the oil, more than the Perfume. And again, it's more convenient kasi nga, it's an elegant lalagyan. Mukha siyang mamahalin yung lalagyan niya compared sa ganito, which is, I don't know, para siyang tita levels. Pang tita na pamahid. This is also looking like a pamahid, but it looks a little bit more elegant. Yeah, I would definitely recommend you try the Yara Mukhammaria Jamid. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Mukhammaria Jamid. I don't know if you can read that, but I'll put it right here. Oh, the spelling. But anyway, definitely try that one. The oils, yeah, I don't really recommend them because their packaging is meh. They leak. This is an oil that I can definitely deal with. Well, let's try the oil let's put it side by side. I don't know if it makes a difference on camera, but in person they look the same. I think the oil absorbs faster than the Mukhammaria. Final verdict, I still prefer the Mukhammaria because I'm a sucker for packaging. Pero, mas mabilis ma-absorb ng skin yung oil compared sa balm na version, and I don't know which one's gonna be more long lasting. I'm gonna try them in the next few days, and we'll probably do an update by next month when I post my favorite fragrances for the month, because definitely this will be included because I will be testing them in the next couple of days. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope medyo nakatulong ako kung interested kang bumili ng mga Mukhammaria. I don't know how to pronounce that. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!